Good morning, eighth graders, and happy Halloween. It is October 31st today. All right, so here is what we have going on this week. We're going to be working on faults today. Tomorrow we have our quiz. Then we will start lesson 4.6, which is on earthquakes. We'll introduce earthquakes. We'll go through our mini book project. So we'll have an earthquake mini book day 1, earthquake mini book day 2, and we have our lesson review homework 4.6 will be due on. Oh my gosh, spider just came across. Yeah, you guys get it. You guys get it. All right, and then we have our homework lesson review 4.6 due on Friday. So just a reminder, we have a quiz tomorrow. It's 15-point summative. It's going to cover Earth's layers, seafloor spreading, plate boundaries. You can use your notes. Can't use your book. Just your notes, your binder, and that kind of stuff is what you can use. So heads up on that. So our goal today is I can name and describe 3 types of faults. There's just too much friction between us. It's not my fault. That's good stuff. All right, so there's going to be 2 things that are going to be attached to today's post. You're going to have this. If you are able to print this off, that's fine. If not, you can wait until you get back tomorrow. You're creating essentially a fault model that is going to look like this, and you will cut it in 2 pieces so that you can create a model that you can move and model all the different faults is what we're going to be working on today. So you'll cut this out. You'll color it like the key says. So the grass will all be colored green. The railroad tracks, which are these right here, will be colored brown. The road right here will be colored black. The river will be blue. And then rock layer Z will be red. We'll have yellow and then green, just like I have here and on the top. All right, so cut that out, color it, cut it out, and we'll assemble it. These tabs get folded under, and essentially what you're creating is a box that looks like this. Okay, you're creating a box, and then you'll cut it apart along this dotted line. That's what we'll be working on. We want to make sure that we're working quickly to get this done so that we can move it forward with the lab sheet. So then we'll get into the lab sheet. It says, if you try to break a caramel candy bar in 2, it may only bend and stretch. Like a candy bar, many types of rocks can bend and fold, but beyond a certain limit, these rocks will break. It takes less stress to snap a brittle rock than it does to snap one that can bend. And we'll get into the 3 different types of faults: strike slip fault, normal fault, reverse fault. There's some pre-lab questions that we'll tackle, and then procedure: carefully color your model, cut out your model, fold it underneath, assemble it. You kind of get the deal, and then start walking step by step through the fault sheet, and that's going to be what we're going to work on today. Like I said, if you're able to at least get your model put together, that would be a good start. If you're not, that's fine. You can tackle it when you get back, and I can give you a copy of everything that I have here. And that's going to be what we work on today. Yeah. Hanging wall, footwall, and faults. There you go. All right, 8th graders, have an amazing Monday. And if you're going out trick-or-treating this tonight, this Halloween, remember, Snickers are my favorite. So if you have any extra, bring them on in. All right, take care.